Hi, it's a great day. My name is Wanda Ferguson, and I'm the CEO of Ferguson Consulting Group, located on the East Coast. I help women who struggle with the fear of failure between the maturing ages of 40 to 65, who are in ministry, leadership roles, professional businesses, and entrepreneurs, making a mark in their lives that cannot be erased through a program I call S.A.T. S.A.T. You see, the reason I call it S.A.T is because I sat where you sat. The S stands for simplicity. I needed simplicity. If it was too complex, I would complicate things and overthink it. The A stands for awareness. You see, growing up in certain environments, there was things I didn't know that I did not know due to my lack of knowledge and exposure. I needed to learn more about and become more aware. You see, there was gifts I possessed, but I didn't know I had until someone helped me to discover them. People saw it all the time, but they just assumed I knew. I needed someone to help me find those strengths and gifts. And I fought hard to overcome the stigma, but I was still stuck. The T stands for training. So I got trained at the things I needed to become better at, and I hired people such as mentors and coaches outside of my environment to help with the things I wasn't good at, to help develop those strengths. And I also learned when to get help when I needed instead of keep spinning my wheels. These three things, it changed my life. Simplicity, awareness, and training. And now I help women the same way. When I sat where you sat, I wish I had someone like me helping me. So if you're ready to overcome the fear of failure, rediscover your identity, rise again, and make a mark in your life that cannot be erased, click the link to schedule a free 20-minute consultation to learn more about our program called S.A.T. I look forward to helping you grow.